today is Advent of Code time. It's Saturday 3rd, and we're doing the third assignment, therefore. Okay, so I took the liberty of actually reading this through, and yeah, I'm gonna explain it to you. So maybe in the previous videos, the sort of like, we've just sort of skipped directly to doing the thing, but now let's try this to new. How do you work with the new I think it's easel? Yeah, exactly. So I'm gonna start drawing here. This is going to be all crazy. So yeah, let's go through what the assignment is about, and then let's code it, obviously in Nim, as every other day. So we have these wonky strings going on here. So for example, we have this one here. This is the input to our procedure, our algorithm. And what we have to do is these sort of like all these individual characters are sort of like encodings of different item or item types. I can't remember correctly. And this is sort of like the contents in a backpack. And the backpack is split into two compartments, and it's split exactly at the sort of like at the middle of the string. So I guess we can assume that these are all sort of like divisible by two, the amounts in the rucksacks. So for example here, this string would be divided, for example, where is it? That's WR, so there. So we would have, so this would be compartment 1 and this would be compartment 2. Maybe I can like, I don't know, maybe I can draw these things. This is actually quite cool. It's a nice feature of the browser. Maybe like one of the few features, or not one of the few, but one of the like it seems so sort of like ridiculous that like a drawing tool in a browser would be a nice utility for you, but hey, apparently it is. People are weird. So yeah, this is compartment 1, this is compartment 2. And there should be one item or item type in compartment 1 and 2 that should be the same, and exactly only one. And in this case we have the lowercase p, and lower and uppercase letters are not equivalent here. So yeah, that will be, so they are sort of like representing two different items. So lowercase p is one item type, uppercase p is another item type. So in this case we can see that, okay, lowercase p is the character that they have in common. So that's the one. And then what we do, we have a mapping. So for each character, it corresponds to like a point or prioritization point. So we have, for example, p, it's lowercase p, so lowercase a to lowercase z goes from 1 to 26, so therefore this would be 16. And then what we have to do is we have to iterate through this list of backpacks, and then for each letter that is the same in compartment 1 and 2, we get the corresponding score, and then we just tally up the scores. Okay. Hopefully that was somewhat of a clear explanation. I have no idea if you understood that, and I don't know if this visualization helped, but hey, at least I get to draw things on the browser, so I seem like I know what I'm doing. So yeah, this is at least what I think we should do. Now let's code it. Alright, so instead of reading the input file, I just copy-pasted the example. This way we're able to get like a feedback loop. If we're doing something wrong, we will immediately catch it, like parsing or like splitting the line, like one of the item, the rucksacks, in the wrong place, something like that, for example. A nice way to avoid or potentially avoid more stupid mistakes. So now we can do for a line in F. And now what we wanted to do is we want to split it in half, so that we get the compartment 1 and compartment 2. And let's do like let len. So because they are of a not equal length, we'll need to get like the line.len, like that. And then let's have one like len modulo 2 equals 0. Let's assert that. I mean, they should be like with regards to how this is written, like the assignment, I'm assuming that they are divisible by 2, but you know, you never know. Let's just be safe. Okay, we're getting a squiggly line because undeclared identifier. Oh yeah, exactly. This is a bit of a weird thing in nim. Modulo operators are with 2. Yeah, so we can do. No. This is the thing, like examples in nim are not always easy to find. Substring in string JS, but in nim, yeah, exactly. Substring in string. Okay, do we have string utils? That's str utils. That's like the first thing we need probably. And then, yeah, in operator they say. So I'm assuming we can do like for letter in comp 1. If letter in comp 2 echo found, echo letter actually. I think we should be able to do something like this. P. Yeah, exactly, that's what we wanted. And now we can do var found, let's say char, and then here we can do found equals letter. Right, and we haven't broken anything. Found. Yeah, exactly. All right, so that seemed to work. So now we have found, now we have a way of taking these the rucksack items, we are splitting in 2, and we are checking whether they have some common, or they should have one common. And yeah, we're just printing everything out. The next step would be to have this mapping from the letter found to its corresponding point. And let's see how we're going to do this. Can we do like string to char array or sequence? Okay. Oh, nimlang. We could do sugar. Yeah. Okay, 2 sec. Okay, so you can do. Okay, and you can do stuff like that. That's awesome. So we can do like have this, and then we can just do like that, and then if we echo lower, then we can just do, and that's just, yeah. Okay, and now how to get the alphabet. I'm gonna, yeah, this is not cheating, yeah. String as was like that. What is it? Okay, maybe I just like. This is, oh, and this gives me everything. This is not cheating, if anyone wonders. And there we go. Basically, my hypothesis is that we could take we have a sequence of points, and we have a sequence of characters, and we could zip them and then convert them to a table. If that would work, that would be awesome. And yeah, let's get rid of that. And then this is what are these? Chars. Something like that. And let's quickly check, like, do we have nim zip? there is a, yeah, there seems to be a zip. Nimzip. Yeah, just pass into arrays. And then let combined is zip. Nice. And then of points and chars. And then echo combined. How did I spell it? Combined. Combined. It's a difficult word to spell. Combined. Like that. And there we have it. And now, the moment of truth. Remembering from yesterday, we need to import tables. Yes, that seems to work. And then we echo combine to table. Oh. Exactly that one. And now, hey, it worked. So now we should be able to, oh no, wait, did we do it the wrong way? Yeah, exactly. I don't want to index by that. I want to be able to index with, of course, with not pointer, points, like that. So I want to be able to index the other way around. So I pass it a character and I get the corresponding point. So now I should be able to what's let table, and now we can do just like echo table, and then what was we had, and we could just pass in found. Yeah, and it gives us 16 points. And if I remember correctly, P should give us 16 points. So now I should be able to do like var main score equals 0. And then here, instead of doing that, I'm just going to do like main score plus equals whatever comes from there. Right, and echo main score just for... no, let's not do that. Let's be confident in our solution. Main score like that, and it would give us 157, which is the same what we get in the example. So now, instead of using the example thing, let's actually read in the file. I need to download it first. Of course, I haven't downloaded it. And then I'm gonna read it in. And yeah, let's go. Close. Yeah, I'm gonna put that there because yesterday I forgot to close the file. Embarrassing, embarrassing. Okay, and then here, so let's just do like f is open. And it gives us 7,980, submit. And yes, we got it, we got it. Awesome. So, continue to part 2. Today, I'm feeling good today. We have good energy. I'm actually starting to get a bit more comfortable with Nim. I'm sort of like doing these, like the basic syntactic stuff, like, of course, I'm still forgetting let or var keywords because I think I'm in Python land. But otherwise, yeah, we're on a roll here. Let's continue, part 2. And we're back a lot later than anticipated, but hey, it doesn't matter. We're still here. We're doing this. We are solving the second part of third day, December 3rd, of the advent of code. And let's, again, I will do some beautiful artwork here to explain part B. So, like previously, let's refresh our memory. We parsed sort of like the input file line by line. We split it to 2. Now we're parsing the input file like 3 rows per like logic unit. Logic unit, that's a beautiful word for what we're doing here. And then what we need to find is what common character do these 3 lines have? Okay, so in the case of the first 3, we have the character lowercase r. So that will be our answer. And then we again ask, or we like look up in the table, what will be the corresponding prioritization point for this character. It will be 18 in this case. So we need to make some small adjustments, but we still can keep the table, so that's nice. So let's have a look at that. Enumerate, something like that. Converting in, no. Okay, enumerate. Let's do that. What does it say? Okay, that sounds cool. Okay, like in Python, yeah, that's what I want. Exactly like in Python. So, but according to that, why is my internet slow now? Okay. Whoa. Can you do like that? So index line in no way. Echo index line break. What, that works? Really? Okay. But I'm pretty sure that only works because we have like an iterable, like an array sequence, something like that, because it already has an index. But I'm not sure if that's going to work when we read in the file. That should be what we are looking for, how to concat 2 strings. Add or the at operator. So we can do like temp string dot add, and then we want to add a line. And a small hack I want to have here, I want to add also just some empty space. And we get a squiggly line. I don't understand why. Temp string. Okay, so that works. Huh. I don't understand why that works. But that doesn't. If there's a nim expert, can you tell me why that doesn't work while that works? What's the other thing? Okay, temp string equals. We can also use the at operator, person claims. It was like at, and then we would like to have line. So that, okay, that works. Can we like... Okay, that works. Weird. So echo temp string. So yeah, now we're exactly... Oh, and we have, of course have to clear it. Let's just run it and see what we get. Okay. So yeah, we get R and we get Z. So yeah, this is the thing, like we split these, and then first we compare these two. We take out the characters that are the same, and then we put those in like this beautifully named temp sequence, and then we compare those to the last one. So we're basically just doing like the same thing as previously, but like in layers, if you will. And now we still need to do the points. So no, it doesn't work. We get a wrong number of variables. So f dot lines doesn't work. Oh no. Oh no. So let's see. Do we do like... Oh, is it because I haven't imported it? Do I have to import it? All right. And the Rookie Cookie Award goes to Eric. I can't believe. Like, for an import error, that's like among... yeah. Okay, let's submit. And... Yes! Woo! We get 1 gold star. All right. So this has been actually really fun today. To recap, what did we learn? So, tables rock. So we're able to do like have two sequences, we just zip them, we just say toTable, and then we have a very easy way of indexing from one to the other. Very, very nice, very convenient. Modules operator, that's a bit weird. We have two percentage signs. Looping over a string and checking whether like something in a string is basically same as in Python. Easy peasy. What else? Check for over like indexing over your arrays. But yeah, you should do that anyways in any other language. Common pitfall. And enumerate works when you import it. What a surprise, what a surprise. I have to say, today's challenge has been really nice. I think like this is day 3 of doing this. And I've had approximately like 5 hours of NIM coding before this. And already I'm feeling quite comfortable with the language. I'm able to do these basic things. Of course, I'm stumbling on like basic stuff like using the keywords. I always think you can just like write the variable name and assign it somewhere. But yeah, otherwise the learning curve is pretty fast here, which I like. It's really nice to be productive with this language already on day 3. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed this and see you tomorrow.